my name is Alyssa Santiago from class 5-1, and I'm doing a presentation about what type of water freezes faster. Experiment. Problem. Does the temperature of the water affect how fast water becomes solid ice? Questions. Does cold water freeze faster than bottled room temperature water and fountain water? Hypothesis. My hypothesis is that I think cold water is going to solidify faster because it's already cold and just needs to turn into ice. Step 1. Gather materials. Step 2. Label containers. A. Cold water. B. Bottled water. C. Fountain water. Step 3. Add 1 cup of water to each container to match the label and place in the freezer. Step 4. Place in freezer, log time, beginning and set timers. Step 5. Remove from freezer every 30 minutes. Make and log observations. Step 6. Take pictures for data observations. Step 7. Check the water with spoon to make observations until it is frozen. Step 8. Analyze data. Step 9. State conclusion. Step 10. Answer if the hypothesis is correct and log data. Step 11. Communicate findings in a presentation. Step 1 and 2. Prepare and label the materials, and you can see a picture right there. Step 3. Adding water with a measuring cup. Step 4. Putting the water inside the freezer and letting it solidify. Heat every 30 minutes and you check and log the data. As you can see, it's solidified. It's very hard on the top. Piece is the final result for 16. Results. Conclusion. Fountain water was solidified the fastest among the test group. It took about 3.5 hours to change from liquid to solid. My hypothesis was incorrect. The cold water did not solidify the fastest. What I learned. It helps to observe sounds during the experiment because you can hear how the ice is breaking. When you open the container, I learned that fountain water becomes solid faster than cold water and bottled water. If I were to do the experiment again, I would use food coloring in the water to see the ice better. This is the data that we collected. Well, I collected. My questions. Did opening and closing the freezer affect the process? Did the type of water used affect how fast or slow the water changed to ice? Would the same results happen if we used hot water? And this concludes my presentation.